you blow my mind.
Yeah.
Through space and time, baby, you blow my mind. It's crazy, you blow my mind.
Yeah.
What's up, people? In this video I'm going to teach you how to spin a pen around your thumb finger so that you can impress someone with this cool trick, like your friend, family, buddy, or even girlfriend or a boyfriend. I don't know, like that. And to do that, first hold one end of your pen with your index finger and the thumb like this, and it does not matter if you are doing it with a pen or a stick. You can do it with a pen or a stick or something like that. There is no limitation to do that. Once you can do it, you can almost do it with any kind of stick stuff. So push the middle of your pen with your middle finger like that, and it will rotate the pen around your thumb finger like that. And don't give up if you can do it right first time, because practice make thing perfect. So just keep practicing and you can do it. And this is how I learned doing it. With enough repetition you can do it just like me. So I hope this video was informative, and subscribe to see more this kind of video.